currently trying to move this whole panel right here so I can see what type of ram this is, because I couldn't really figure it out inside the PC, like with it on. So I'm just trying to do all these screws first, and yeah. Alright, however, it's pretty easy and pretty dusty. You wanna remove this first. You just wanna get you like a little flat head like this, and like the crease is like right here. Like when it's like this, you wanna just pop it open like that. Just try to do it as calm as possible, because at the end of the day, it is plastic and it can break. And then you just want to lift up on this. First, you want to take these, I think this is a saddle thingy. You'll take these out first. Alright, so these come out, you just pull them out. I only have to stop the camera because I need to use 2 hands. So once you do that, you just gotta remove this clamp piece right there, the little white thing. I'm just try to like rest it like this and do it. I'm gonna try to grab my harness or something, but this little white clamp, you just wanna lift it up a little bit. Alright, so my camera's getting pretty dusty now. There's just so much going on. There is a few more wires that are connected on there. I didn't take them off because I wasn't gonna put it so far away from the other side of the PC. What I came in here to do was just to check what is this RAM, because I've been trying to look up the serial number for it and everything, and I just couldn't find it. There's like no space to really work. Everything's so proprietary too. Alright. Let's see. Hoping it has a serial number on here. Okay. 4 gigabytes. What is this? I don't know what type of RAM this is still. It says PC4. That could mean DDR4. I don't know why it's so difficult. You want to get like an absolute like answer. I think it's really thin though. I don't know. I'm gonna do like a Google search on this, because like it's just never this hard. The last computer I worked on that wasn't mine, I was able to look at the serial number. It was like back here or something, and it was able to work. I was able to find every detail about it. This one is just completely different. Alright, so good news is I did look it up, and it is DDR4. And so bad news is it's only 2 slots of this, so I can either do 8 and 8, 16, which I might do instead of 4. That'll be a huge jump. So it's very low on gigabytes. So I'm gonna change that on this PC. But I gotta put it back together now, because now that I know, I can go and get some for it. Then once I get it, I'll continue this video. Alright, so I got the RAM today. I'm gonna be adding this in to the motherboard that was shown in probably like the previous clips of the video. And oh wait, this is the wrong thing. Where did I put it at? Oh, I got it. This is the RAM, and 8 gigabytes, DDR4. So it's kind of a hassle to get to it. I'm just gonna show real quick. Get this screw out. I'm gonna pull this back just like that. Put that somewhere else, and as you can see, it looks way better than what it was the last time I showed it, because it's quite dirty. So the RAM area is right there. I have to remove this. First, I have to right here. I should be able to just knock it out with my fingers. pop it out. It shouldn't break at all from that. And to put it back in, you put it in the same way it came out, and it'll pop right back in. So now all I have to do is take 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws out using this bit right here, which is weird. I wasn't expecting something like this. That's one. Okay, slide it back just like that, and I'm gonna rotate it just a little bit. Well, I gotta rotate the other side, and the only ones in the way are just these, and you gotta use a little bit of force, just like that. Everything else is okay. A little bit of force, and just cause I'm gonna take this one out too. That's in the motherboard. And that one right there, I could unplug it, but I'm not. All I gotta do is just set this right here for right now. And so as you can see, it only has 2 slots, unfortunately, because I could have really hooked this up with a lot of RAM, but I can't. So what you do is now, okay. And there's the RAM. And I have to put them latches back. They don't go back that much. Okay. And then I think it goes like this. No, it doesn't. I was trying to find where the middle piece was at. Right there. Alright, we're both in. So this will be a total of 12 gigabytes. Do not forget to plug those wires back in. Make sure you do it the right way as well. And you can't mix them up because like they all got their own spacing for them, and like slot too, and color as well. I believe this is like the hard drive area in the CD thingy. So make sure that's all the wires they need to be plugged up, and it is. It's right here, just the extra one for some like type of upgrade. I don't really know. This even, I was not even going in there right, I'm tripping. Alright, that fits in just like that. And I'm gonna put all the screws back in, and I'll boot it up or something. Alright, so memory is now 12 gigabytes right here, and 10 available. What's being used right now is 2 gigabytes, or yeah, 2.1 gigabytes, or yeah, 8.6 available. All right, so it doesn't let me show like each slot. Oh, it does. Yes, it does. right here. Trying to get the focus. Okay, there you go. They both run at the same amount of hertz, 2400 megahertz, and it does open things way faster now. I do have to go in the task manager and close the startup apps because it's a lot of startup apps that's making it kind of like freeze a little bit. So I'm gonna do that real quick, but it's gonna be the end of this video. How to put RAM inside of this HP Pavilion 590 computer desktop PC.